A warm good morning to one and all. Welcome back to our maths class. Hope you are safe at home. Last class we discussed exercise 12b, that is expansion. Expansion of a plus b the whole square, a minus b the whole square, a plus b into a minus b, etc. Did you remember that? What is a plus b into a minus b? A plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. A square minus b square, that is first term square minus second term square. And a plus b the whole square is equal to first term square plus 2 into first term into second term plus second term square. And a minus b the whole square is a square minus 2ab plus b square, that is first term square minus 2 into first term into second term plus second term square. Then also we discussed a plus b plus c the whole square. What is a plus b plus c the whole square? A plus b plus c the whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca, that is first term square plus second term square plus third term square plus 2 into first term into second term plus 2 into second term into third term plus 2 into third term into first term. And also we discussed a plus b the whole cube and a minus b the whole cube, that is cubes of sum of two polynomials or binomials, that is a plus b the whole cube is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Okay, a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. And a minus b the whole cube, alternate plus and minus, that is a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Okay, now also we started some problems. Then now let us start with question number 4, expand. Question number 4, expand. The fourth question, x plus 5y the whole cube. X plus 5 by the whole cube. 5y the whole cube. We know that what is a plus b? A plus b the whole cube. What is a plus b the whole cube? It is equal to a cube plus 3a square b. 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Okay, a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Here in the place of a, it is x. See here a, here x, and in the place of b, it is 5y. Okay, 5y. So let us apply here. A is equal to x, b is equal to 5y. A cube, first cube of a. So here x cube plus 3 a square. What is a here? X. So x square into what is b? Here b is equal to 5y plus b is equal to 5y. Okay, plus 3ab square, 3 into a, in the place of a here x, into in the place of b here 5y. Here b square is there, in the equation it is b square. So 3ab square, in the place of b 5y, so 5y square plus b cube. Here b is 5y, so 5y the whole cube. 5y the whole cube. Okay, please listen here. A plus b the whole cube is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. So in the place of a here x, in the place of b 5y. Okay, in the place of b 5y. So according to this formula, a cube, here x cube, 3a square b. So 3 into a squared. So here x squared into, what is b? 5y plus 3ab square. Now square is for only for b. The square only for b. First square is only for a. That is cube of first term plus 3 into square of first term into second term plus 3 into first term into square of second term plus second term cube. That is the expansion. Okay. So 5y the whole cube. Now x cube itself plus 3 into 5. Multiply the constant terms. Here 3 is there, 5 is there. 3 5s are 15. 15 x square y. Okay. Plus 3 into 5 square 25, you know. 5 square is there. 5 square 25. 25 into 3. 75 x square of y, y square. Okay, square of y. Here 5 y the whole square means 25 y square. If you want, you can add extra step. 5y the whole square is 25 y square. 25 into 3, 75 y squared. Plus 5 cube, 5 into 5 into 5. What is 5 into 5? 25. 25 into 5, 125 y the whole cube. Okay, so this is the answer. Okay, we can't add 75 and 15 because this is not like term. Remember, x square y and xy square are not like term. Different terms. Here x squared y. Square is only for x. Here square is only for y. xy squared. This is x squared y and 75 xy square. So it is the answer. X plus 5y the whole cube is equal to x cube plus 15x square y plus 75xy square plus 125 y cube. Okay, clear? Next, third question, 3x minus 2y the whole cube. 3x minus 2y the whole cube. We know the expansion of a minus b the whole cube. What is the expansion of a minus b the whole cube? A cube. First positive, then negative 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. This is the expansion. See, alternate positive. First one positive, a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Same as first equation, a plus b the whole cube, but sign is alternate, negative, positive, etc. First one positive, then negative, positive, negative. That is a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Okay. So in the place of a, here 3x. In the place of a, 3x. In the place of y, 2y. Okay. In the place of a, 3x. And in the place of b, 2y. So a minus b the whole cube. Here 3x minus 2y the whole cube is equal to compare with the actual equation a minus b the whole cube. So this equation is equal to a cube. Here 3x cube minus 3 into a. What is a? 3x. 3a square b, you know. So what is b? 2y. Okay, 3a square b. So 3 into what to say? 3x. So 3x square b plus 3ab square. That is 3 into what's our a? 3x into what is b? 2y square. 2y square because 3ab square, you know. 3ab square. So 3 into 3x into 2y square minus b cube. What's our b? 2y. So 2y the whole cube. Our b is 2y, you know. So 2y the whole cube. 2y the whole cube. 2y the whole cube. Okay. 3x the whole cube minus 3 into 3a square b. So 3x square into 2y plus 3ab square. So 3 into 3x into what's our b? 2y, and take its square. It is equal to 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. What is 3 cube? 27 x cube. Okay, minus 3x square is there, you know. What is 3x square? 3 into 3 3s are 9. 9x square into 2y plus 3 into 3x into what is 2y the whole square? 4y square minus 8y cube. 8y cube. Clear? Okay? Is it okay? Huh? Okay. Now we can multiply the constants again. So it is equal to 27x cube minus 9 3s are 27. 27 into 2. 54 x square and y plus 3 3s are 9, 9 4s are 36 x y square minus 8y cube. This is the answer. Okay, 27x cube minus 54x squared y plus 36xy square minus 8y cube, which is our answer. The direct substitution in this formula. Okay, in the identity a minus b the whole cube is a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Here a is equal to 3x and b is equal to 2y. Now you can directly substitute the values. Clear? Next, sixth question. 2a minus 1 by 2a the whole cube. Okay, just substitute the value in a minus b the whole cube, which is in the form a minus b the whole cube is equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Okay, minus b cube. This is our equation. A minus b the whole cube is a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Now you can substitute the values. What is a? A is equal to 2a. And what is b? B is equal to 1 by 2a. Clear? A is equal to 2a and b is equal to 1 by 2a. So a cube means 2a minus 1 by 2a the whole cube is equal to a cube, that is 2a the whole cube. Okay, minus 3 into a square. What is a? A is 2a, so 2a square into what is b? 1 by 2a. Okay, 1 by 2a plus 3 ab square. What is a? 2a. What is b? 1 by 2a square. B square is there, you know, b square. So 1 by 2a minus b cube. Our b is 1 by 2a. So 1 by 2a the whole cube. 1 by 2a the whole cube. Okay, 1 by 2a the whole cube. Now 2a the whole cube. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 8a cube. 8a cube minus 3 into what is 2a square? 2 square 4. So 4a square into 1 by 2a plus 3 into 2a into 1 by what is 2a? 1 by 2a the whole square? 1 by 4a square. 4a square minus 1 by 8a cube. 8a cube. 8a cube. Okay. Clear? Now 8a cube, 8a cube, then we can cancel this a and a square. 2 and 4. 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4, and this a and 1a get cancelled. So minus 6a plus here 2a get cancelled. Here 2 2s are 4, 1a and another a is cancelled. So 3 by 2a minus 1 by 8a cube. This is the answer. See, 8a cube minus here 4a square and 2a get cancelled. 2 2s are 4. And here 1a, a square means 2 times a. So 1a and 1a get cancelled. So remaining 2a. So 3 2s are 6. 6a plus here 2a and denominator 2a get cancelled. In denominator one more a is there, you know. So 3 by 2a minus 1 by 8a cube. Okay, this is the answer. This is the required answer. 8a cube minus 6a plus 3 by 2a minus 1 by 8a cube. Clear? Just substitute the values in the expansion. A minus b the whole cube. That's enough. Okay. Clear? Okay. Next question number 5. Find the cube of. Fifth question. Find the cube of 2a plus 3b. Third sub question. 2a plus 3b. Okay. 2a plus 3b. So let us do 2a plus 3b the whole cube. Find the cube of means 2a plus 3b the whole cube. This is the meaning. Find the cube of 2a plus 3b means 2a plus 3b the whole cube. Now our expansion a plus b. What is a plus b the whole cube? A cube plus 3a squared b plus 3a square 3ab square plus b cube. This is the expansion of a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Now let us substitute the value. 2a plus 3b the whole cube is equal to what is 2a plus 3b the whole cube? In the place of a, here 2a. In the place of b, here 3b. So a cube, here 2a cube plus next 3a square b. 3 into what is a square? In the place of a, 2a. So 2a square into what is b? 3b. 3b. In the place of b, it is 3b plus 3ab square. 3ab square. 3 into what is our a? 2a into what is our b? 3b square. 3b square plus b cube. What is our b? 3b. So 3b the whole cube. 3b the whole cube. Now 2 cube is 8. So 8a cube plus 3 into what is 2 square? 4. So 4a square into 3b plus 3 into 2a into what is 3b square? 9b square plus 27b cube. Isn't it? Once again 8a cube plus 3 4 3 3s are 9, 9 4s are 36. 36 a square b plus 3 2s are 6, 6 9s are what is 6 9s are? 54. A b square. Okay, plus 27 b cube. This is the answer. Okay, 8a cube plus 36a square b plus 54a b square plus 27b cube is the required answer. Clear? Nothing is there. You just by heart the formula. A plus b the whole cube is a cube plus 3a square b plus 3a b square plus b cube. Then substitute the values there. Here a equal to 2a, in the place of b 3b. Okay, that's enough. Next question, fourth one, 3b minus 2a. Find the cube of 3b minus 2a. So 3b minus 2b whole cube, you know. First you have to write a minus b the whole cube. What is the expansion of a minus b the whole cube? A minus b the whole cube is a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Okay, a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Now our question is 3b minus 2a the whole cube. So in the place of a, here 3b, in the place of b 2a. Okay, just reversing this 2a and 3b. In the place of a, here first term, what is the first term? 3b, and in the place of b 2a. This is second term, this is first term, this is second term. So a cube, what is here? A 3b. So 3b the whole cube minus 3a square. What is here? A 3b. So 3b square into what is b? 2a plus 3a square ab square. 3 into what is a? 3b. What is b? 2a square. B square, you know. Now b cube. In the place of b, here 2a, you know. So 2a the whole cube. 2a the whole cube, which is equal to 3 into 3 into 3, 27 b cube minus 3 into 3 square 9 and b square into 2a plus 3 into 3b into 2a the whole square is 4a square minus 2 cube 8 equal to 27b cube minus, what is 9 3s are 27 into 54 b square a. So we can write a first, a b square plus 3 3s are 9 4s are 36 a square b minus 8a cube. Okay, so this is the answer. 27b cube minus 54. Here I wrote a first. So a b square plus 36 a squared b minus 8a cube. This is the answer. Clear? Okay. Next, sixth question. X minus 1 by 2. Find the cube of x minus 1 by 2. So our question is x minus 1 by 2 the whole cube. Can you say the formula? What is the formula? A minus b the whole cube. What is a minus b the whole cube? A cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. This is the formula. Now, what is in the place of a? Here x. In the place of b, here 1 by 2. Okay, in the place of a, you just think x. In b, it is 1 by 2. So, a cube. What is a cube? X cube minus 3 into a square. That is x square into 1 by 2b plus 3a. A is x. B square. So take the square of 1 by 2. 1 by 2. Take the square of 1 by 2. B square, you know. Minus b cube. That is 1 by 2 the whole cube. 1 by 2 the whole cube. So it is equal to x cube minus 3x square by 2. 3x square by 2 plus 3x. Here what is 1 by 2 square? 1 by 4. Okay, 1 by 4. That is 3 by 4. 3x into 1, 3x minus 1 by 2 cube is 8, you know. So this is the answer. X cube minus 3 by 2 x square plus 3 by 4 x minus 1 by 8. Okay. Here 3x. What is the square of 1 by 2? 1 by 4. So 3 into x into 1, 3x. In denominator it is 4. Same way here also. 3 into x square, 3x square into 1, 3x square. In denominator it is 2. Clear? Okay. Now let us do some application of this formula. Already we learned what is a plus b the whole square, a minus b the whole square, a square minus b square, then a plus b the whole cube and a minus b the whole cube. And by using this formula we can apply some do some application level questions. So we can start with exercise 12C. In exercise 12C, second question. If a minus b is equal to 6 and ab is equal to 16, a minus b 6, ab 16, find a square plus b square. So first you look, find what we have to find, a square plus b square. And what is given? Given a minus b is equal to 6 and AB is equal to 16. And we know that the expansion of a minus b the whole square, because here a minus b is given. So first you have to write the expansion of a minus b the whole square. What is a minus b the whole square? A square, first term square minus 2 into first term into second term plus second term square, isn't it? A minus b the whole square is equal to, because here a minus b 6 given, we know that the term a minus b the whole square is equal to a square, that is first term square minus 2 into first term into second term plus second term square. Now here a plus b square we want to find. For that we can arrange this formula or this expansion, that is a square. Now write this b square plus b square minus 2ab. Okay, a square we can write first, then plus b square, no change because here plus sign, you know, just we are changing the order. A square, then write plus b square, then minus 2ab. So here we want to find a square plus b square, you know, that's why. Now what is a minus b? A minus b is 6. So 6 square. According to our formula expansion, according to our expansion, a minus b the whole square is a square plus b square minus 2ab, or a square minus 2ab plus b square. Both are same. Okay. Or this one. Both are same. So what is a minus b in this question? It is 6. So 6 square equal to a square plus b square minus 2. What is AB? AB means product of first term into second term. That is product of two terms, A into B. What is AB? AB is given by 16. A into B is 16. Okay. What is 6 square? 36. Equal to A square plus B square minus 32. 16 twos are 32. A square plus b square minus 32. We want to find what we have to find? A square plus b square. So a square please let it be there. A square plus b square. Here 36 is there, you know. We want to find a square plus b square. So this minus 32 bring to opposite side. So what happened to minus 32? Plus 32. Okay, here minus 32 is there. We want to find a square plus b square. What happened to minus 32 if it goes to opposite side? It will become plus 32. So 36 plus 32. What is 36 plus 32? 68. So what is a square plus b square? A square plus b square is equal to 68. 68. A square plus b square is 68. Okay. A square plus b square is equal to 68. Clear? Very simple. You can do yourself. These types of problems very simple. 68 is the answer. Okay, first what is a minus b the whole square? Because the question is start with a minus b, so you have to write a minus b the whole square's expansion. Then directly substitute the values. A minus b 6. So substitute the value of 6 in the expansion. A minus b the whole square, that is 6 square, equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. In the place of ab, 60. Okay. Next question number 6. A minus 1 by a 4. Find a square plus 1 by a square. How to find this? A square plus 1 by a square. We know that the expansion of a minus 1 by a the whole square. What is a minus 1 by a the whole square? First term square minus 2 into first term into second term plus second term square. Isn't it? If you want, you can by heart this formula, but you just do a square minus, here a get cancel, you know, so minus 2 plus 1 by a square. Now let us arrange it. A minus 1 by a the whole square is equal to a square plus, now we can write this 1 by a square minus 2. This is the expansion of a minus 1 by a the whole square. A square plus 1 by a square minus 2. Same way, what is the expansion of a plus 1 by a the whole square? A plus 1 by a the whole square is a square plus 1 by a square plus 2. Okay. A square plus 1 by a square plus 2. No need of any, no need to by heart, you just do. In the formula a minus b the whole square is a square minus 2a into b plus b square. Then you will get the answer, a square plus 1 by a square minus 2. So what is a minus 1 by a? A minus 1 by a is given 4. So 4 square. 4 square is equal to a square plus 1 by a square minus 2. Minus 2. What is 4 square? 16. Equal to a square plus 1 by a square minus 2. Now we want a square plus 1 by a square, you know. So this minus 2 comes to opposite side. So 16, this minus 2 become plus 2 when goes to opposite side. 16 plus 2 equal to a square plus 1 by a square. What is 16 plus 2? 18. 18 is equal to a square plus 1 by a square. So, a square plus 1 by a square is 18. A square plus 1 by a square is 18. Okay. So, first write the expansion of a minus 1 by a the whole square. What is a minus 1 by a the whole square? A square plus 1 by a square minus 2. Then substitute the values and bring that minus 2 to opposite side. It will become plus 2. That is 16 plus 2, 80. The remaining term is in right side is a square plus 1 by a square. Clear? Next, 7th question. Question number 7. If a square plus 1 by a square is 23, find a plus 1 by a. Just a reverse of previous question. A square plus 1 by a square is given 23. Find a plus 1 by a. So we can write the expansion of a plus 1 by a the whole square. What is a plus 1 by a the whole square? A square plus 2ab. In the place of b, 1 by a, plus b square. That is a square plus this a and a get cancelled. 1 by a square plus 2. A plus 1 by a the whole square is a square plus 1 by a square plus 2. Then if we are taking a minus 1 by a the whole square, one more thing, see, a minus 1 by a, if we are taking a minus 1 by a, that also a square plus 1 by a square minus 2. So here a square plus 1 by a square is given 23, and in two cases a plus 1 by a the whole square and a minus 1 by a the whole square. In these two cases, first two terms are same, that is a square plus 1 by a square. Here also a square plus 1 by a square. Here minus 2, here plus 2. Only one difference is there. Okay, so what to do? In both cases, a square plus 1 by a square. If a plus 1 by a the whole square is equal to a square plus 1 by a square plus 2, then a minus 1 by a the whole square, then also a square plus 1 by a square minus 2. The a square plus 1 by a square is common to both. So which formula we take? What to do? We want to take both. Okay. So a square plus 1 by a square. To find this, a plus 1 by a the whole square is equal to a square plus 1 by a square plus 2. That is a plus 1 by a the whole square is equal to a square plus 1 by a square, 23 plus 2. 23 plus 2. What is 23 plus 2? 25. So a plus 1 by a the whole square is equal to 25. Okay, second one we needed. No need of this one only we needed. Okay, a minus, no need to write this one. No need of that equation. Only first one. A plus 1 by a the whole square is a square plus 1 by a square plus 2. So substitute the value. A plus 1 by a the whole square is a square plus 1 by a square is 23 plus 2. That is 25. This is a plus 1 by a the whole square. We need a plus 1 by a. What is a plus 1 by a? How to find a plus 1 by a? Here square is there. How to eliminate square? How to eliminate square? 25, we know that root 25. We can take root. How to eliminate this square? In RHS, one square is there. How to eliminate this square? By taking square root of next side. Okay. That is a plus 1 by a the whole square is. Otherwise, we can write it is 5 square. 25 is equal to, see, 5 square we can write. A plus 1 by a the whole square is 5 square. Instead of 25, you can write a plus 1 by a the whole square is 5 square. Then this square and this square get cancelled. So a plus 1 by a is equal to root 25. What is root 25? 5. Then plus or minus 5 you want to write. See, either plus 5 or minus 5. Both are same. Why? Because negative 5 into negative 5, positive 25. And positive 5 into positive 5, also positive 25, That's why two values are here for a plus 1 by a, plus 5 or minus 5. And it is read it as plus or minus 5. Because this is square root, Root 25 means 5 into 5, 25. Both negative 5 into negative 5 is also 25, That's why. Okay, negative 5 into negative 5. See, negative 5 into negative 5. 25, positive 25. That's why both the values we want to write here. If we are taking root, we want to find both the values. Clear? Okay. Now mark the homeworks. Exercise 12b, fourth question, 1 to 5 and 5, 1 to 5. Okay, 12b, question number 4, sub questions 1 to 5 and question number 5, 1 to 5. And exercise 12c is also in 12c, question number 1, 3, 4, 5, 8. Okay, 1, 3, 4, 5, 8. These are the homeworks. Okay. Thank you and have a nice day.